How to change size after ordering on Shein. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Shein, or you can head over to any of the web browser and then move into the official site of Shein. Once you are in here, enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Once you are in here, head over to Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. The option of My Orders will be visible to you. Tap on View All. It will be landing you on this page. All of the products that you have ordered will be available to you in this page. Well, there are certain criteria in order for you to change the size. Well, first of all, you have to make sure that your order has not been shipped yet. If it has already been shipped, then you won't be able to change the size. If it has not been shipped, the option of cancel or reorder will be visible to you. All you want to do is tap on cancel, and then you have to reorder with the size that you want to. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change size after ordering on Shein. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.